A lot of questions have been asked about what the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan really means for India. News just coming in that after Taliban breached Kabul and has completely taken over, they've stopped all imports and exports to India. So the Taliban taking this step, and it's been confirmed by the Federation of India Export Organization. They've said we're keeping a close watch on the developments in Afghanistan. Imports from there come through the transit route of Pakistan. As of now, the Taliban has stopped the movement of cargo to Pakistan. So virtually imports have stopped. They've expressed concern. This is the export organization in India, expressed concern that in coming days, dry fruit prices may actually go up due to the turmoil in Afghanistan. India is importing around 85% of dry fruits from Afghanistan. So at this point, the Taliban has taken this step. We'll have to wait and watch to see if that really changes in the coming days. But right now, there's no question of a dialogue really with Taliban on this or any other issue. Ashraf Ani is joining us live with more details on this. Ashraf, good morning. Taliban taking that extreme step of going ahead and banning all imports and exports to India at this point. What really will that mean at this point for India?
Akshita, good morning. Basically, still it is not yet clear that what the Taliban has decided and what not. Basically, what only one development happened yesterday. The commander, which is looking after the trade and commerce of the Afghanistan yesterday, called the meeting with the local traders, local exporters, and only assured them that they can continue their trade as the previous regime. They could keep it up, and they are doing it for the country of Afghanistan, and they can proceed in the same. But as far as the imports of the India are concerned, there are so many compulsions. One is that no civilian transport is so far being allowed by air in the Afghanistan. There is no movement of the civilian aircrafts, and also same is with the road transport, because all the roads leading towards Afghanistan from India go through Pakistan, and that road is still closed due to the evacuation process which is currently going on. The things will be clear within some time when it will be clear that what will be the approach of the world community towards the Taliban government, and also what will be the approach of the Indian government with the Talibans. As far as the India is concerned, we are dependent only for the dry fruits that most of that is imported from the Afghanistan, and we have seen its impact visible in the markets for last 2-3 days, that the rates are skyrocketing. Somewhere these rates had touched to the double. They had got into double figures.
Right.
That means that the picture will be clear only once the equation process is clear, the picture of the Afghan government is clear, then the trade and the commerce with Afghanistan will be clear, that what kind of things that it will happen.
A lot of unpredictability at this moment, but as Ashraf also told us, dry fruit prices are going up and expected to go up only further because of the fact that imports and exports have right now stopped with Afghanistan. Thanks, Ashraf, for joining us with all those details.